Do you want to make yogurt with yogurt, or do you want to make yogurt with milk? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make yogurt with powdered milk. So I'm going to be using half cup of powdered milk. I'm using 3 Crown milk. I'm using half cup because this is my first time of doing it, so I just want to test it. So I poured the milk in a container, then added half cup of warm normal room temperature water from my tap. Then I mix it together just as I'm doing on the screen. So for 1 cup of milk, you're going to be using 2 cups of water. Does it make sense? So if you're using 1 cup of milk, you're using 2 cups of water. So for those 2 cups, you're going to use one normal room temperature cup and the other cup boiled one. So that's what I'm doing here. Since I used half cup of milk, I'm going to be using 1 cup of water. So I'll now do half cup of room temperature water, then half cup of boiled water. So this is my other half of boiled water. Then I'll add it into the milk, then give it a good stir like I'm doing in this video. So now when you're done, we need active culture for our yogurts. So you can use any yogurt of your choice that has active in the ingredients. So mostly people use the unsweetened yogurt because it is believed that the active will still be alive. So what I'm doing here is to dip my finger and count 10 seconds. If I can bear it, then the milk is ready to be used. But I don't think that is needed because we already used room temperature water and boiled water. So for me, I'll be using sweetened yogurt. I'm trying it. I want to see if it will work. That's why I'm using sweetened yogurt. So I'm using Greek yogurt, Mitch and K sweetened yogurt. Please use any yogurt that you like because the taste of the yogurt you're going to make will be the same as the yogurt as the active you use. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of Mitch and K sweetened Greek yogurt for my own recipe. So after taking 2 tablespoons of your active yogurt, you're going to add from the milk you've already prepared to just make it into a slurry. Then you pour it inside. This is to ensure that there is no lumps at all in it while it is fermenting. So as I was saying, use any yogurt that you like the taste. So the yogurt that will come out of your milk will be the one that you use, because this my yogurt there, it tasted exactly like Mitch and K yogurt. Do you understand? It is, for people that will ask me if it is sweetened, it doesn't bring that like that sour taste of unsweetened. It is sweet to some certain extent because it is a sweetened yogurt, but you still need more sweetener if you want it to be sweeter. Do you understand? We just took 2 tablespoons, so it will not be as sweet as supposed to be. And at the same time, it is not sour like unsweetened yogurt. So this is we need to now sieve it. This is like a 2-factor authentication. So to ensure that there is no lumps at all while fermenting. So it is already in the container. You use like a clear film or a nylon to ensure that you lock in the heat. Then you cover with your cover, then wrap it in maybe your towel or wrapper or nylon, just to ensure that it is in a warm place. Then you keep it in a warm space, in a warm place, maybe in your cabinet, that is, or your inside your microwave, or your, what is it called, or your oven. Don't put it on, no. We just want a warm place. Don't put oven or whatever, your microwave on. No. We just want it in a warm place. That's why I say you can put it in your cabinet. You can put it in your, maybe your bag that is very warm, just for it to ferment. Then you keep it for 10 to 12 hours. So this is me after 10 hours. Mind you, if you do it like that and it didn't work for 12 hours, you can put it again, like you can cover it again and let it continue fermenting till whenever it starts to form your yogurt. So my own form actually, but if you want it to form more than that, you can cover it again. But me, I like it like this, like a normal yogurt. It didn't bring that Greek yogurt texture. But if you want it to be a Greek yogurt, I would advise that you keep it for long. Your own might not be like this. It might be because of the milk I use. Maybe because it is not full cream milk. I use 3 crown, and the 3 crown I use is not full cream. So when you're using your own yogurt, use full cream milk. You can see that this is like a normal yogurt, not Greek yogurt, right? So if you want to make this into a Greek yogurt, I think you just pour it into a cheesecloth, tight it, and put it on the container. Put something heavy on it, then leave it for like 5 hours. But for me, I want it like a normal drinking yogurt. Do you understand? So this is it. So if you are making your own yogurt, please use full cream milk. Do you understand? I think this 3 crown is instant filled milk. So use full cream milk. You can use Dano full cream milk. Any type of full cream milk. See how it is. You can even use this for parfait like this. It will come out really nice. And you can just put your granite. That's like a light dinner for you, or a light breakfast, or snacks if you want. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.